In this video we are going to register the domain name that we need for our new website. So the domain name registrar that I trust and I use is Namecheap. If you go to namecheap.com, you will be able to register a very cheap domain name. GoDaddy used to be very popular, but for me it is not as straightforward as Namecheap in terms of registration and managing your website. So anyway, let's get to it. So if you go to this website and enter the name of that you want to use in this, so for example, say we want to build a cat and dog blog, something to talk about cats and dogs, so we can say cat and dog online. So what you do is you can select to use .com or any of this. So basically just leave it as it is and click on search, and it's going to look to see if that domain name is available, and it's actually surprisingly it's available. So as you can see, it said to us that it's available for $10.69 per year to have catanddogonline.com. I was actually thinking that this domain name is not going to be available. So if you really want to register something else, you can select them from here, .net, .org. If you have a very unique name that you think it might be worth a couple of anyway, it's very difficult to find a unique name nowadays anyway, but what people do is, for example, if you're the first person to register a name like apple.com, so what they do is they actually register the rest of the domain name as well, like apple.net, apple.org, apple.co.uk, so that's somebody else doesn't get access to it. So anyway, let's continue with ours. So as soon as you are satisfied, if it is not available, that's okay. You can keep brainstorming for the right name that you want to use and keep searching. So once you're happy with your selection, all you have to do is just add it to cart. So once it's added to cart, as you can see, it said here 2 items has been added to cart, and the second thing that was added to cart is the free WhoisGuard. What this WhoisGuard does is to actually protect your privacy, because once you register, it will be very easy for people to find out who owns this domain name. Because if you don't have a free WhoisGuard, what is going to happen is people will be able to see your address, your email address, your home address, your email address, and all the details that is pointing to the owner of the. So but this one, they give you 1 year for free. It is $0. And the domain name is only $10.69. So what you want to do is click on Express Checkout if you already have a username and password. If not, just click on Checkout, and it's going to take you through the process of registration and username and password and first name and last name and email address and stuff. So then you'll be able to pay with either PayPal, or I'm not going to log in or register any domain name now. I just want to show you. It's a very simple, straightforward process. So once you complete this, your domain name will be your own, so you'll be able to log in and actually modify some information in connection to that domain name. So do that, and then I'll see you in the next video where I will show you how to get yourself an hosting account. See you then.